Label Reading 101 Detox Tools You Need to Know. Low fat, sugar free, all natural. Let me show you how these labels lie and how to protect yourself. In fact, over 80% of consumers rely on front package labeling alone and miss the hidden ingredients in the fine print. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit. So let's talk about label literacy because this is really your first detox tool. And let me help you decode the food and supplements in your cabinet. So first thing is food label red flags, things that have artificial sweeteners, MSG, carrageenan, seed oils, our FD&C colorings, food dyes, that sort of thing. Also with your supplements, think about magnesium stearate, titanium dioxide, synthetic folic acid, all of which can be harmful. The truth is that natural flavors, fragrances, and proprietary blends usually are loaded with synthetics. And so organic doesn't always mean clean. And I always like to say it's business in the front and party in the back. So definitely pay attention to your food labels instead of just reading the marketing on the front. In our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, Detoxification and Elimination, we talk all about food labels in addition to Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, which right now we have a BOGO offer. If you invest in one course, you get both for the price of one. So definitely a good deal, won't last long. And of course, if you want to learn more about holistic medicine, holistic healthcare in general, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more as I teach you more about how your body functions.